Alright guys, so doing the sunroof. I already did the back. You could probably tell it looks a little bit darker. Didn't plan on making a video, but this is something a little bit different, so just show you how I do it, and obviously be a little bit different with two people, but easily doable by yourself. So already scrubbed the inside, squeegeed it once. I'll do it one more time, and then up here, whoops, here's the film. Okay, we're gonna reverse roll this. All right, so I'll make sure it's nice and clean. Okay. I also like to keep it wet. Just helps with the dust. And spray that. Hop up here. Could do one squeegee if you want. Okay. Now, before I install this, I'll squeegee this one more time, just to be sure. One final squeegee. There we go. All right. Okay. Go. Okay, nice. Let's get this little guy. Okay. Don't forget about the edges. All right. Okay, that's clean. Now, let's reverse roll this guy here. I feel that this is probably the easiest way to do these, especially if you're by yourself, you know. First roll's always nice. Come on. All right, here we go. Let's roll this up. I want to start on the driver's side, so that's why I'm starting to roll on the passenger side. Whatever side you start on is where you're gonna end. So if I wanted to start on the passenger side, I would be rolling from the driver's side. Hope that makes sense. Then don't forget what's the front and what's the back. That's happened. Not too fun. All right, so we're rolled up. I know it should be a little tighter, but it's pretty small, so it's not a huge deal. Tell you what, let's go on the driver's side. And again, I'm not forgetting what's the front, what's the back. Okay. All right, here we go, we're in. So, let's see here. Let's start by getting our film unrolled just a little bit. Okay, there we go. I'll miss that, and then miss the sunroof. I really don't want any more water than I need because I tend to get pretty wet doing these. Although, like I said before, reverse roll definitely helps. So, here I am. Hope you could see. All right, there we go. Get that on the side laid down. Get it on a roll here. Ooh. All right. There we go. Take this liner off, and then we'll position it. Okay. There we go. That looks pretty good. Alright. We're not bunching anywhere. There's no daylight. So we're good to squeegee. Let's see. Make sure that's wet. Oh, I know I got an orange crush around here somewhere. There it is. Alright, like a lot of other windows, I'm just gonna tack them across the center, go to the sides. Forgot to say, hold a towel when you do this. You're gonna really save yourself from getting soaked and from also getting the inside any more wet than it needs to be. Alright. There we go. Alright. Hope you can see this here. Let's see. I'm gonna tighten my GoPro. Alright. Distribute the film evenly. That's the best way to avoid fingers, although once in a while you're still gonna get one. Even from a good shrink, it's just kind of what happens sometimes. Oh. Okay. Always squeegee it twice. Sometimes a little more, but this particular one, I think 2 is good. By the way, this is Global QDP, 20%. He didn't want ceramic, so I said okay. But the 20% is still a good film. Well, they're all good films. Meaning it's gonna block out a good bit of heat still. Okay. Let's see here. The last thing I like to do, we'll just kind of go around these edges. I don't see any fingers. Oops. That's not too bad. Okay guys, well, that's really about it. I would obviously go around and just kind of dry this off a little bit, and we'll clean it up inside and out.